I don't want on my tombstone, I don't want someone who's Alan grinded through life. Like, that's not a compliment to me.
That's
now,
so funny.
I'm not saying those that like the word are wrong. They might have a different interpretation of how that word makes them feel.
Right.
But when someone says, like, Alan, you gotta rise and grind. No, I don't. I'm gonna rise and enjoy the hell out of my life, and I'm gonna do what I love to do, and I'm gonna do it to the best of my ability, but there's no grinding going on.
The man who loves walking will walk further than the man who loves the destination. So what's happened along that process? You've learned to love the journey. Man, when you love the journey, the goals just happen. You hit milestones as a side effect, right? Because it doesn't matter. At that point, I don't care if I can lift this much weight or run this fast. I mean, that's cool and it's great and I love it, but I don't love it as much as I love the journey. I love the journey. What does the journey consist of? Sucking at something, failing, getting better, learning, start a new journey, start it over, do it again. When you fall in love with the journey, everything else takes care of itself.
People coming up now and they say, you know, well, we want to be able to do some of the things you do. And I said, well, you can't do what I'm doing now. You have to do what I did 20 years ago when I was in the same position.
Right.
And if you're not willing to do those things, then you're not going to be able to do these things.
I was dead broke. There was no time to relax, go hang out, party. No, I was broke. I needed millions. I saw, even when I had negative money in my account, which was very often, I saw millions in my future. I wanted safety, comfort, security, ease, no more stress. Tired of watching people stress. Tired of watching people fucking scrape and pawn shit just to pay this, and you know what I mean? I was tired of that shit, tired of being that myself. So that was my theme, you know what I mean? At that time, no time to chill, I'm trying to get meal.
If you were to ask most people walking the street, could they come up with a list of healthy foods? They could do that. And if you ask most people, how many hours should you sleep each night? They'll give you a number real quick. All of these people know those things,
right,
but statistically, very few of them are doing any of these things.
Right.
So it's not that they don't know, it's that they don't do. We all know a lot. We just need to start doing.